Hello guys. Welcome back to another interesting video. In today's video I will tell you that how to install car racing games in PC. So let's start. Open your Chrome browser. Search Steam. Click on the first site. Here click on the Install Steam option. And once again tap Install Steam. And your Steam will start downloading. Once download completes, install as following. From the Browse option you can customize its place. And finally install it. Now it will start updating. It will take some time to update, depending on your internet speed. Once the update completes, you will only need to create an account on Steam. If you face any problem while creating Steam account, you can ask me in the comment box. Now let the Steam to be opened. Now scroll down. And from the Browse by Genre section click on Free to Play. Here you will have all the free games available on Steam. Now search in the search bar Racing Car Games. Here drag the mark scale from right to left. Now these all games are free to play. You can also find more free games on Steam in this way. Now click on the specific game you want to download. Let's check the system requirements of this game. Now you can see it needs 6 GB of internal space to be installed, and need 4 GB of minimum RAM and can be installed on Windows 10 or 11. Now scroll up and for installing click Play Game. Now check these installation settings and click on Next. After this preparing complete, your game will start installing on your Steam. For checking its download progress, go to the Library tab. As you can see, the game has started downloading. Here is some gameplay of this game. So in this way you can download racing games on PC. Hope you liked the video. I have lots of more videos for you, so don't forget to subscribe as your subscribing motivates me to make more videos betterly. Bye. Take care and be happy until next video.